When we saw the property, I felt like I could really enhance it and save it almost, and have it shine light to share the spirit of what this area is about, have people experience the best Encinitas could offer. Now we have a well-certified building, the first in the world, and also we have a biodynamic urban farm. What grows in our farm are mostly herbs. Herbs we felt like we could grow abundance of, and so 50% of our produce are herbs, which we then incorporated into the flower bath, and then also the essential oil, and then infusion with honey and olive oil from some of the produce we sell in our boutique. We have a harvest table where we usually have what's in season grown on the property, and also what's in the region, fruits that we source from the farmers market here weekly. I think it's essential for us to connect the dots for the guests to realize what is the source of their life, which is agriculture, and is also where we are that provides that.